Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these GiFBERA containers. These are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe. They stack well and they have BPA free materials. So these lids have a nice little feature here. If you ever microwave things with, it has an airtight seal, and once it heats up, it like starts sucking down the lid. It can actually damage them. But this has this little thing on top. You just pop that open and it's going to keep not only your lid from sealing down on the container, it's going to allow it to that not to happen. And so this will also act as a splash guard. Your stuff won't splatter all over the place. We have 6 different lids there, and those are rectangular ones. And then we have looking like 6 different size blue lids. Same thing. Those are square. We have 4 round containers here. And these, you can see, they stack nicely on each other. They're marked with how many ounces they are too. So if you're into like really managing like how much food you eat, like food prepping, and like, hey, I'm just gonna eat this much, it has the sizes on there. So this is a 40-piece set, so we're looking at 20 containers with 20 lids. That's pretty crazy. So just like this, we have these guys. They're all stackable. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. So there's 8 of them right here. Takes up very little space, which is kind of nice if you're just going to put them in your cupboard. And then you can have the lids and everything separate. These go on there, click on there nicely. And then it has this little tab on the side also that makes it easy to pull those off of there. So that is pretty cool. So we have those, there's 2 of each of these. And then these ones here, we have some other containers. Oops. So this is going to feature 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these. Our largest container being 47 ounces, so 1.7 liters. There's quite a bit of room there. That'll hold plenty of food. And we have our other lids here, these these guys here. So the round ones, they don't feature a little pops top microwave portion for those ones. But probably something that small, don't really need to microwave it. I don't know, I would see putting like a dressing in there, maybe some berries, some nuts, things like that. I want to check out the waterproofness of the seal here to see how well that holds like a liquid or something. Not like it's really necessary, not people put a lot of water in their containers, but yeah, they seem pretty nice. It looks like it'd be a decent seal on here. So I'm just going to test out this big one right here. This is right 1.47 liters. So let's take that and put some water in here and see how well it holds that. Well guys, so as you can see, I got some water in here, and hey, I just did it and no water came out. And now, okay, so I don't know why there's spilled some water there. Oh, it looks like it collects a little around the edge, so perhaps not completely waterproof, which is fine, but mostly it looks like when I turned it upside down before, there wasn't any water coming out, but it looks like it gets a little bit on the edge there, and then when you turn it back over, that spills out a little bit, but not a big deal. I didn't get these to be waterproof containers, and that's kind of nice that little seal actually holds that up. So there's just a little bit that comes out there, and then none other water is coming out of there now. So it holds pretty good, and it's just that little bit that collects there, and then it kind of works its way out. But even though if I turn it over here, I guess a little bit. So a little bit is coming out of there. Not a big deal. I can't remember any time where I wanted a perfect watertight seal on a microwave container that I use. This is like straight water, so the majority of food, like if I put in my lunchbox or something like that, obviously it's not going to be liquid like this. I'm not putting like coffee or anything like that or tea to drink out of these. You know, we're going to have food, maybe a soup or something, but for the most part, it's going to hold everything in there nicely. I like how stackable they are. It's really a space saver. I mean, 8 containers with their lids is just barely going to take up hardly any space at all. Plus, like, if I wanted to, I could put these kind of in those too. So, all in all, my friends, pretty sweet little containers here. A lot of nice features, and looks like they're going to last me quite a while. I like that they're dishwasher safe. I can put them in the freezer, put them in the microwave. All that stuff should be, seems like they're going to be easy to clean. I'm just going to go wash these all right now in the dishwasher. And then, yeah. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all next time.